Welcome to the 2016 Cadillac Escalade Platinum in Black Raven. This SUV is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Escalade, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, automatic headlights, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, steering column shifter, 8-inch touchscreen loaded with navigation, Bluetooth, and satellite radio, dual-zone climate control, push-to-start ignition, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Escalade, starting off with the 22-inch wheels paired up with Nokian tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles with chrome accents and LEDs, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, Cadillac badge in the center of the grille, front plate mount is installed, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around. Automatic step assist come out once the doors are open and retract once the doors are closed. Roof rails are also installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the clear taillights, Escalade and Cadillac badging on the hatch, and single exit exhaust. Heading back inside the Escalade, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the second row here, we have twin headrest mounted screens. In the center console, the third zone of your tri-zone climate control. Directly below that, a USB charging port and an SD port, as well as AV ports. And below that, we have a 120-volt outlet and a single cigarette lighter charger. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2016 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.